In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a D drive on your Windows 11 laptop or PC using one of the best partition management tools out there, MiniTool Partition Wizard. Whether you're looking to better organize your files or expand your storage, this tool makes it super easy. Let's dive right in. First, we need to download MiniTool Partition Wizard. Open your browser and go to their official website, which is minitool.com. Once you're there, download the free version and install it by following the on-screen prompts. Once it's installed, launch MiniTool Partition Wizard. The interface will open up with all your current drives and partitions visible, making it easy to manage them. To create a D drive, we need to shrink an existing partition to free up some space. Usually, this is done from the C drive. So, find your C drive in the list, right-click on it, and choose Split option. Here, you'll be able to drag the slider to split the partition. You can manually enter the amount of space you want for the D drive, then hit OK when you're ready. Now that we've created the new D drive, we need to apply the changes. Go ahead and click Apply at the left corner of MiniTool Partition Wizard. Now the system will ask you to reboot. Click on Reboot Now option. Once the process is complete, you can check your new D drive by opening File Explorer. Your D drive should be there, ready to store your files or install new programs. And that's how you create a D drive using MiniTool Partition Wizard on Windows 11. If this tutorial helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips like this one. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or need further assistance, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.